This is a song I wrote for my grandpa about a year and a half ago. He died back in 2008. I was very close to him, so I thought I should show him how much I miss him, how much he meant to me. Well, here it goes. I miss hearing you talk. I miss seeing you walk. Oh, how I miss those days. Oh, how I wish they'd never changed. I just miss seeing you and all the things we used to do. I wanna fly high up in the sky. I wanna fly high up in the sky. I miss giving you hugs, and when we catch lightning bugs. You know how I really miss when we ride in the flower truck. I miss watching you do deliveries and making people happy. I just miss seeing you and all the things we used to do. I wanna fly high up in the sky. I wanna fly high up in the sky. Since you've been gone, I don't know what it's like to die. I know it's been so long, but I certainly know what it's like to cry. It's been 2 years since I seen you. What a 2 years it's been. I would give it all just to see you again. I just miss seeing you and all the things we used to do. I wanna fly high up in the sky. I wanna fly high up in the sky. But there is one thing that I always have with me, and that one thing is all of our memories. I wanna fly high up in the sky. I wanna fly high up in the sky.